Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a save card from your DHgate account. First, add any item to your cart. It doesn't matter which product, just add one so you can access the checkout screen. Now, click the cart icon in the top right corner to open your shopping cart. Select the item and then click on checkout. This will bring you to the payment methods section. Here, you'll see your saved payment methods. Find the card you want to remove. Next to the card, click the trash can icon. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just click confirm. And that's it. Your card will be deleted from DHgate and you can go back to your account with no payment details stored. So yeah, just add an item, head to checkout, and use the trash can icon to remove your card. And that's how you remove a card from your DHgate account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.